gentlemen, so today we're going to go over the brand new redesigned 2020 Kia Soul. This is the GT line 1.6 turbo. So what's amazing about this car is that they completely redid the exterior and the interior. It isn't just a few little simple touches, they really did a whole lot to this car. We're going to go over all that in a second. We're going to start out with the front because it's right here. So on the front you have the brand new redesigned fog lamps, LEDs, and you have the new wraparound headlights. These are going to give you a real sharp look at night. People aren't going to really guess that this is a Kia when they see it. It's a really sharp car. All right, so now that we went over the front, let's show you how the side view is going to look real quick. So you start out with your 18-inch alloy rims. That's a mix between like a dark graphite and a gray. That's really sharp. They're gonna show up real well when you're cruising down the highway. It's definitely gonna turn heads. You also have this red stripe down the side. This is exclusive to the GT model with the turbo in it as well. And back here in this model, this is more of a finished fascia. This is where it's got the Soul engraved right here. And we'll take you around back real quick and let's show you what the rear looks like. So with this Soul, you're going to have the GT line badging down here in the lower corner, Soul on the other side. The backup camera's going to be placed right here. And I'm going to go over the interior screen in a minute how you're going to see that. You also have a ton of storage space. So with this, they've really extended the wheelbase. So you get a couple extra feet back here in the storage. It's about a similar height. Now, also something to consider, you have this. So check this out, have a look in there, guys. And you also have this all-weather tech mat that I will send you pictures of as well. So now that we've gone over the exterior and the rear storage space, let's go over the interior features and the cockpit. So here's the front cockpit. This is what the passenger and driver seats are going to look like. You have the cloth and leather insets. In this one, this being the top of the line model, you have your heated steering wheel, your two-stage heated seats. You also have a wireless charging right here, your Q charging. You also have your USB port, which is going to help you access your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all that good stuff. On the touch screen, you are going to have an updated, the new look for the way the Kias are doing things is they have multiple cells. So you're going to have 3 different things to choose from, or you can make it a widescreen look on just one thing, like your navigation, your radio, all that stuff. And you got right here is your leather-wrapped D-cut steering wheel with the GT line engraving right here. It's very sharp. You also have the leather-wrapped shift knob as well. And for people who've been driving the Kia Soul for a few years, they know that this is a very updated interior. Also, what you can take a look at on the door is the new fascia we have on the door, the red lining, as well as the red lining that surrounds the speaker. They are Harman Kardon speakers. There are 8 speakers in this car, I believe. So, yeah, that's the interior cockpit of the brand new 2020 Kia Soul GT 1.6 turbo. Almost messed that up. Alright, so on this, it also has a ton of safety features besides the cosmetics looks that it's been given. This car has the blind spot detection, it has the lane keep assist, it has the heads-up display, it also has the blinkers in the side mirror, it also has 2 front airbags, 2 side airbags, and dual curtain airbags. So your family is going to be nice and safe, and you're going to enjoy your ride. So that is the 2020 Kia Soul. This is the GT 1.6 Turbo Edition. There are several other trim levels we'll be able to go over with you further. Once we get them in, I will give you a video on them. Again, this is the 2020 Kia Soul GT 1.6 Turbo. So if you want to make an appointment to come see this car, just give me a call, 908-902-2243. I will be happy to help you out. And one more thing that this car gives you besides luxurious look, a fun drive, and safety features is you are completely covered by a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile basic warranty. So besides all that stuff rolled into your payment is peace of mind. So come down here and see me. Again, 908-902-2243. Remember to ask for Nikki Deals because I will take care of you, whatever it takes.